Hello there. Today, we're diving into some amazing gadgets that are mostly designed with seniors in mind, but perfect for anyone looking to add more safety, convenience, and ease to daily life. Plus, many of these items are on special deals. Check the links below. Let's get started. Manage medications effortlessly with this advanced pill dispenser. Featuring a 28-day system with customizable dosage templates, an easy-to-read LCD display, and sound and light alerts, it ensures seniors never miss a dose. It even locks securely to prevent accidental spills or overdosing, offering peace of mind for caregivers and independence for seniors. A complete smart home solution designed for safety and comfort. This bundle includes a smart doorbell camera for peace of mind, window and door sensors to track entry points, and a premium thermostat for optimal energy savings. Perfect for seniors who want to stay secure and comfortable without complicated setups. A large digital clock designed with seniors in mind, featuring bold, high-contrast text that displays the day, date, and time. With custom alarm options, it helps keep daily routines on track, especially for those with dementia or memory loss. Its sleek, minimalist design is perfect for any home. Weed Puller Tool is a game-changer for efficient and comfortable gardening. Its 44-inch stand-up design eliminates the need for bending, protecting your back, while effortlessly removing weeds. The eco-friendly bamboo handle and 4-claw steel head grip even the toughest roots, ensuring weeds don't return. With dual weed eject technology, disposal is quick and mess-free. Simplify daily tasks with this multi-purpose opener. Specifically made for seniors with arthritis or weak grip strength, it easily removes lids from jars, bottles, and cans. Its ergonomic design and durable materials make it a must-have kitchen companion, a thoughtful solution for seniors struggling with dexterity. This dual-purpose tool helps fasten buttons and pull zippers with ease, making dressing up hassle-free. Its lightweight, compact design is perfect for everyday use or travel. Stay on top of your medications with this Bluetooth-enabled pill dispenser. It features a 7-day organizer with built-in alarms that connect to your smartphone for reminders. Designed for convenience, it's ideal for seniors who want a modern yet simple way to track their health. A discreet, water-resistant panic button necklace equipped with fall detection and location tracking. It ensures seniors can get immediate help in emergencies, giving families peace of mind and enhancing their quality of life. These automotive door assist handles provide extra stability when getting in and out of vehicles. With an integrated window breaker for emergencies, this tool combines practicality and safety, making it a must-have for seniors or anyone with mobility challenges. The JMH magnifying glass with light offers 30 times magnification for clear, distortion-free viewing, perfect for reading, inspecting coins, or exploring intricate details. Its 18 LED lights with 3 adjustable modes provide cold and warm light options, reducing eye strain in any setting. Lightweight and ergonomic, it's ideal for seniors and hobbyists, making detailed tasks effortless and enjoyable. Thank you for watching. If you found these gadgets helpful, be sure to check out the links below to grab yours today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and recommendations. Stay safe and take care.